Oh, this looks really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good at that.
Wow, thanks. Cool. Yeah.
Oh, hi, Samini.
Oh, hi! What are you guys doing?
We're working on a physics project that's due tonight.
Oh, sounds fun.
Yeah. So here we have 5 bottles, each with a different volume. And so we already know that the liquid is incompressible and that gas has a greater density, right? But then additionally, we can change the density of the gas by changing the volume. And so the amount of gas remaining in each bottle varies as seen. So like, for example, this will be bottle number 1. And we can see that this one is at 18 centimeters. This one is at 14 and a half. This one's at 12 and a half. This one's at 9 and a half. And the last one, being bottle number 5, is 7.5 centimeters. And so if we relate this to frequency, we can see that the increase in frequency leads to increase in pitch. And so frequency and pitch are both related. And so a quick demo. So if we look at Tammy blowing into these bottles, we have C5, A4, G4, F4, and D4.
So basically what you're saying is the empty space is the value for L, and then as L changes, frequency would also change, right?
Yep.
Okay. So how does the physics play into this?
Yeah, I think I know a couple equations for that. So
Okay.
if we head over to our whiteboard. Okay, so we remember from our module that frequency equals n over 4L. Yeah, so then that means as we increase the space between in the middle of our bottle, frequency is going to decrease because we're going to hear like a lower pitch. And then we also remember that lambda n equals 4L over n. So then as we increase the space, so does the wavelength increase. And these equations are specifically for an open-closed system where like the lid is open and then the bottom is like the surface of the water. Yeah.
Well, because our bottles, the caps are on our bottles. As shown.
And also this N has like a C, just to connotate that the temperature and the pressure in the room are pretty standard and they're not going to change. So then nothing is really going to make this equation change. Yeah.
Okay. And for N, is it only is it all integers or?
Oh no. For this one, it's only for odd numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So over closed system, N is only odd.
Yeah. Because you have an antinode at one end and a node at the other end.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I understand that.
Yeah.
So now that you know all this, do you think you can play a song using the bottles?
I think I can.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now I think we're ready to take what we learned from the equations and apply it to some music.